Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue with maths reteaching of lesson number 3, operation on whole numbers. One, subtraction of large numbers. We did addition, now subtraction. Again step 1, we arrange the numbers in the columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and so on. Then second step, beginning with the ones, we go subtracting column wise. So ones column, tens column, hundreds column, and borrowing if necessary. For addition we used to carry, and for subtraction we borrow from the next column to the left. Okay. Now one example, subtract 24,78,652 from 83,64,579. Now subtractions, I had told you that we have a minuend, we have a subtrahend, and the answer we have a difference. Now when from comes, so this number becomes your minuend, which will come on top. This number to be subtracted will be your subtrahend, which comes below, and then the answer. So first we write the columns, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. And we write the under the columns 83 lakhs, 64,579, and below that 24 lakhs, 78,652. So what is this number? Yes, this number is my minuend. As I explained, this number is my subtrahend, and the answer which I'll get will be my difference. Remember these important points. And we start subtracting. We arranged it. Now subtracting from the ones column, we will move ahead. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. Now from 5 can I minus 6? No. So I will borrow from here. This will become 3 and this will become 15. So 15 minus 6, 9. From 3 can I minus 8? No. So again what I will do? I will borrow and this will become 13. 13 minus 8, 5. From 5 I cannot minus. So again I will borrow. 15 minus 7, 8. Again 2 I cannot borrow. So again I cannot minus, so I borrow. 12 minus 4, 8, and 7 minus 2, 5. So my answer is, difference is 58 lakhs 85,927. Did 2 digits subtraction, now 3 digit subtraction. Okay, 3 crores. Now we have gone to 1 digit extra. 3 crores 60 lakhs 12,435 minus 77 lakhs 67,678 minus 1 crore 54 lakhs 39,326. For addition, we could add all the 3 digits together. But for subtraction, we have to do it separately. Means I'll do the first 2 digits, get the answer, get the difference, and from that difference I will minus the next one. But your basic step will be same: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So I write the first digit, 3 crores 60 lakhs 12,435. Please copy the digits properly. Okay, next one, 77 lakhs. So I will write in the 77 lakhs 67,678. I will not write the third number. First I will subtract and get my answer or difference for this. So this number on top is my minuend, subtrahend, and the difference. So start from 5 I cannot minus, so I borrow. 15 minus 8, 7. From 2 can I minus? No. So again I borrow. 12 minus 7, 5. Very good. 3 I cannot minus, so again borrow. 13 minus 6, 7. Again borrow. 11 minus 7, 4. From 0 I cannot minus. Now can I borrow from here? No, I'll borrow from here. This will become 5. This will become 10, and then it will become 9, and then I will borrow. So 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. From 5 I cannot minus, so it becomes again 15 minus 7, 8 and 2. Is this my answer? No, because I have to subtract the third part. So now again I will make the columns: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now what will I do? I will copy this number down: 2 crores, 82 lakhs, 44,757, and from that I will minus this. I'll write 1 crore 54 lakhs 39,326. Now again in this sum, this is my minuend, subtrahend and the difference. Subtraction sign necessary. 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 3, 4. Now from 4 can I minus? No, so I will borrow. It will become 14, 14 minus 9, 5, 3 minus 3, 0, again borrow. 12, 12 minus 4, 8, 7 minus 5, 2, and 2 minus 1, 2. Sorry, 1. So what is my answer? 1 crore 28 lakhs 5,431. It is my difference. We move on. Mix sums or simplify. The steps are same. We have to arrange the numbers one below the other in the respective values: ones, tens, hundreds. Add or subtract as given in the question. Okay. Similarly, if all the three sums given are addition, you can do directly all together. But if it is subtraction or mixed numbers of addition and subtraction, we have to do 2 at a time. So solve 2, get that answer, and that answer to be carried for the third one. I'll show you with examples. This sum, mixed sums. Okay, 3,62,532 minus 1,79,269 plus 73,421. For these kind of sums, I can't do all three together. I will solve first 2, get the answer, and with that answer I will add the last one. I arrange the digits in ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs column. The first number 3,62,532 and 1,79,269. The sign is minus. I subtracted. Now with this answer I will add the other number. Again I arrange it in my columns. I make the columns. I put this number down, 1,83,263, and the question has plus. I write that number 73,421 and add it up, and this answer is my actual answer. The answer for my simplification is 2,56,684. There it was subtraction and then addition. Now in this sum it is addition and then subtraction. Again different signs. So I will solve these two first by adding, and the answer which I get I will subtract. Okay, so 3,68,215 plus 1,79,232. I added and I got the answer. Now with this answer I will subtract my other. So again I arrange the numbers. I got this number down and I copied this number one below it and subtracted, and my actual answer is 3,68,505. I hope you understood. Okay.